This is Nick from Lipscomb Fiat. I'm just going to take you around this 2021 model year Fiat 500 hybrid pop. As you can see, it's finished in Electroclash grey, very popular colour, with the silver wheel trims and the matching door mirrors. This one's a convertible with a black roof. Let's take a look inside. So new for this year, we've got the blue interior trim with the Fiat logo in the back of the seat there. And the pop comes with air conditioning and a DAB radio, which is an enhancement over the previous year's model. This is a 6-speed gearbox version, as it's a hybrid, and it's got controls on the steering wheel for the audio. I'm just going to show you how the electric roof works. So you press a button and it electronically opens up to the first level there. And you press again and it comes all the way back there. So with the electric roof down, you can't actually open the boot straight away. You open the boot, the roof lifts up to reveal the glass window with heated element. Show you in the boot there. I'll just take you around the rest of the car. This is a really lovely colour in the 500 and a nice contrast with the black roof. So there you go, Fiat 500 convertible. This car is in stock and available for immediate delivery.